You want to bring that out on the outside. So if you don't like lipstick, wear a little bit of gloss or put your splash of your dash of bold onto your lips and onto your nails. But let's say you've done the school run or you've done your running and errands. Now you get to the office working from home. Remember, you're never again going to say, why dress up at home because nobody sees me? You're not a nobody. You see you, and what you wear impacts how you feel, your energy, your mojo, your focus, everything. So get to the office. This is why I'm such a fan of blazers. You blaze a trail with a blazer. You put a blazer on, you're jumping on Zoom, or even if you're not, you're just getting to your office, sitting down. If you have lots of work to do on the keyboard, you might take this off. I often do that, and I have a ring on because it positions me, it focuses me, it shows me that I've made an effort, because effort needs to go into the work that I'm doing. I want my work to add value and to have meaning and to earn an income. So you put on a nice color. This on a Zoom call is going to help you to stand out.